All right, what's going on, everyone? Happy Monday. How's everyone feeling? Y'all feeling good? Had a good weekend? All right, let's get this party started. All right. Good morning, chat. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good this morning. Hope the weekend treated you well. And you're ready for a big week. Good morning, Glenna. Glenna Chong in the building. Let's get it going. How is everybody doing today? Let me get the Zoom set up here. And we'll be good to go. Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. What's the good word? Lot of things going on today with the US dollar. Lot of craziness. Exciting times. Exciting times, my friends. All right. Let me just get my tools ready to go. And I think we're good to roll. So, good morning again, everyone. Welcome back to another stream. It is the 20th of March, 2023. And today we have came here to do a job, and we are going to be professionals in doing that job, right? So you have a lot of uncertainty in the US dollar, a lot of craziness going on, but guess what? Guess what, chat? It's just another day, right? It's just another day to be disciplined to our plan, another day to follow our rules and be a professional in this craft. So we're gonna do what we do every day, right? We're gonna come here, we're gonna mark up our charts, we're gonna see what the candles are telling us, we're gonna find clean ranges to trade in, and then we're gonna wait for those clean ranges. And then once we get our setups, we'll attack, we'll execute, and if those setups don't show up, then we just close our charts and come back at it for another day, right? So let's do some story time here. Let's do some analysis, quick analysis here on gold and pound yen and US30, and then we'll see what the day's looking like for us, all right? So, by the way, I was looking at the yearly chart here on gold, man. Look at this. We are from 1933 to now, we are approaching these all-time highs on gold here, man. So pretty interesting. I believe the weekly candle closed above all closures. Oh no, I'm sorry, one more up here. Okay, so we are approaching all-time highs again. Very exciting, right? We approached them over here at one point when we first started streaming, right? And we just kind of ran out of steam. So let's see what's going on here today. So taking a look at the weekly time frame, what do you notice here, man? Last week, just right out the gate, just an explosion from Monday to Friday. Nothing but bullish momentum in the markets here on gold. Looks like we've officially closed above this area here and closed very strong bullish. Now, one thing that I do notice about this bullish candle right here is the fact that we have closed with no top wick, right? And what do we know about candles that close with no top wick, gang? We know that when a candle closes with no top wick, that there's not much room for the next candle to drive, right? Now, not saying that that can't happen, right? Price can still continue to run up. It can run to, you know, 2060 here today, right? 2080 here this week. But we do know that when a candle closes with no top wick, a bullish candle, that there's a less likely chance that price can continue to push up. And if you guys remember a couple weeks back where we had this closure, if you notice, the next candles just started losing steam right away, right? And then we closed bearish, engulfing this whole move, continued our way down, created a support, and now it looks like we're pushing back up. But again, no top wick on that previous weekly candle, so definitely something to look at. It looks like this weekly candle started off pretty bullish right away and now is in some sort of rejecting a little bit, right? So in order for us to find out what's really going on, we're going to need to take a look at the lower time frames. But I just really want to explain that when a candle closes with a top wick, right, like this, well, that means that this candle, this right here is a range for the next candle to fill. That's why you hear the term wick fill, right? So this is a range for the next candle to drive up in. So chances are the next candle opens up, creates a bottom wick, and then will fill this wick, right? Looking like something like this. So when a candle closes with no top wick, like let's say this one, very likely the next candle won't have room to drive and you'll see something of this nature, right? A resistance form and price start to move itself back down for a little bit, and then you never know, maybe want to create a support, right? Because that other candle couldn't do it, and you know, maybe create some wicks at that point and continue on up, right? But that's what you would typically see in the market. But let's pay attention here, because this candle that closed with no top wick, right? We're gonna need to look into it. So in order to look into it, we're gonna need to scale down to the lower time frames, right? So let's take a look at what the daily's talking about here today, and see the story that's going on here. So daily time frame, if we look left, we did close above this resistance right here. We closed above, but again, no top wick on the daily time frame, no bottom wick on the daily time frame. So one of those candles, right? We have a lot of momentum in it, but again, we're approaching these all-time highs. Does gold have the steam to continue up, right? Is the economy going to really help us out, push up past these highs? Because right now, the U.S. economy is not doing the greatest, right? And then the dollar in itself, there's just a lot of uncertainty in the dollar as well. So we are bullish on the day, right? Just being that we did close bullish above this area. So we are pretty bullish here on the day. The only thing that upsets me a little bit is that there's no top wick on this candle. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So looks like the 4-hour time frame has come down, broken the low here, right? If you look left, I believe this 4-hour candle, there was another resistance at some point. Let's just take a look. So there's a resistance right here on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's look at where price closed. So price closed right at that resistance. And you can even make an argument to move this resistance up a smidge bit, because if you look left, you had a lot of rejections in this zone right here, right? So if we do that, then price had not closed above that resistance. So chances are, now that we've broken the low here, we could potentially look to head down bearish a little bit. One thing you notice here, right, if you're looking at the 4-hour time frame, you have a support right here, right? And now you have a resistance formed right here. So on the 4-hour time frame, you're pretty much now in this range, right? So you're trading this range. Price doesn't really know exactly what it wants to do. You have a support, right? You have a support down here, which if price breaks that support, then we could head on down into these 1936 levels, or it may just want to continue pushing up, right? So let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame, because we need to identify what this support is. We need to identify what this top wick is up here, and see what is really going on here on the 1-hour time frame. So perfect. So you have that resistance here, right? You have so I was watching this a little bit earlier, and was taking a look to see if price would close bullish back above this area here, but it looks like we just continued down. So this candle right here looked like it may have wanted to create support. It flipped up bullish, but you really needed a closure above this support here for us to say, okay, price can continue going up, right? Because if you would have had a bullish closure above this support, chances are, now that you're breaking back into the range, you'll continue up to retest the high, right? So, but that didn't happen. We continued pushing down. This is a 30-minute time frame here. So looks like the candle came down. You have clean traffic here to the left-hand side. So you have clean candles coming down into these levels here. Now it looks like we kind of tapped that. So chances are, there's a chance we can get a wick fill here. But we've already kind of tapped that support down there. So we really just need to see how this 30-minute candle wants to close, right? But really just waiting for some ranges form. Again, be patient with gold today. We're way up here now, right? We're way up here, and there's not really much to the left at this point, right? So we really need to wait for gold to form ranges, create certain ranges. I do like the fact that we have pushed down here, which is great. It looks like 4-hour, I was anticipating the 4-hour bottom wick, but now we've broken the low. So but I still think it's good that we've pushed down here. We're going to need to form some sort of a range, and then we could look to potentially take positions, right? So potentially you get a bullish close, right? And then we can continue back up, and then this is kind of the area in which we're looking at right now. Can price close above that area, right? If price can close above that area, then there's a high chance that we can continue up and retest that resistance up there, right? So something I'd be interested in. If not, you'll see a range start to form here, right? So you'll see a push up, and then you'll see a resistance come about, right? It's like this, you know, have this, and then you basically have a new range now, right? So then once you get a breakout of that range, then we could look to continue on up, right? So you get a breakout, and then we're good. We could take our buys going back up according to our game plan, and everything will be all good. So let's wait patient here today, like we do every day. Sit tight, wait for price action to show itself, and you know, we'll wait for our setup, and when our setup comes, we will execute the plan. But see if we can create a support right here, which would be pretty nice. Obviously bullish on the day. I obviously know that the daily is no top wick, but still bullish, right? Still close bull above these levels here. Looking pretty good to continue on up today. And if not, then we look for sells, and I think we could find sells after our range 2, right? So if we create this range here, we come up and we make a new resistance at some point up here, and we could look to take our sells coming down. I believe sells today would probably be best below here. Let's take a look. Yeah, because if we re-break the daily low, then price shouldn't have a problem continuing on down, right? So that's the low. If we end up breaking that low, which just happens to be this support here on the 1 hour time frame, right? Figure that one out. Then I think we're pretty clean in terms of sells at that point. So still going to need a range 2 though, right? Still going to need a range 2 sell here. And then buys, I believe we're pretty straight with buys above this level here. So if you can get a closure above this support, we could look to take our buys coming back up and retest these highs up here. So that is the story here on gold today. Let's look left to see what we could really take advantage of here. Yeah, let's say right about there, 2002, 705. So pretty much to retest these highs up here is going to be our TP, right? So that's where we'll look to take positions. If we do get that closure, we'll be in there. If not, we'll just continue to wait. But that's what it's looking like here on gold today. Like I said, you really want to see gold start to create some ranges. We've just done nothing but pushed up at this point. So that's kind of what we'll be looking for here today, right? So we got clean buys above this area, which is 1988, 730, and then range 2 sells below here. And that is the story, ladies and gentlemen. That is the story for today here on gold. So gonna be staying out of this area here today. All right, not going to take any trades in here, but anything above this level here is going to be good to go for me, and anything below this level here, if we get a range 2, be good to go as well. So that is the day here on gold, ladies and gents. Not touching anything in here. Anything up here is good money. Anything below here is good money. You got support, you got resistance, and we're just going to wait for a breakout. And if we don't get a breakout, we won't take a trade. We'll come back tomorrow and be disciplined again, right? Right, chat? Let's take a look at pound yen here. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, Kin. Kin FX in the building. So let's take a look at pound yen as well here. Let's go on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame last week looks like we closed bearish. So we closed bearish back in this range, which I really don't like this range at all. If you guys remember, we were really trying to break out of this range and stay out of this range, right? You had this area up here, and you had this area down here, which we were basically just the beginning of the year, we were just super caught up here, right? We were just super caught up in this range on GJ. We couldn't really get a breakout. None of these candles really wanted to do it, right? You had a candle come down, you know, no closures below, no closures above, no closures above. And then we finally got a breakout with this candle right here, right? And then what happened once we got that breakout? What do you guys notice? Once we got that breakout of this range, where did price drive to? All right, we pushed up, right? We tapped into these zones up here. But that didn't happen until we got a breakout, right? So that's why it's so important, and we preach it so much, to wait for candles to close, right? You need candles to close above and below ranges, because once they do, they now have the drive to continue to retest certain highs or certain lows. So that's why it's so important to wait for price to close, for candles to close, because once they do, that's when you typically see your push, right? So now you have this candle, which closed back in the range here last week. So personally, what I'm hoping for on GJ is that we had this push up, and now we can push down. This candle right here can close bullish, and we can create a support to continue moving up, right? That would be ideal. Otherwise, we're gonna maybe chop around in this range here for you know, another week or two, which I really don't want to see, right? So we do want to see this candle start to close bullish, right? Start to form bullish, and then that way we can have a support to continue back up on this weekly time frame here on GJ, right? That would be ideal. Now we're not going to force that, right? We're not going to try and call that and predict that. We're just going to wait, and if that happens, then we will, you know, be able to execute. But let's take a look at the daily time frame. So daily was in a bit of a range here as well. Doesn't look like you got a breakout at all, so that's probably why this candle's starting to pull back up now. If you notice, this candle right here never closed below, right? We never closed below this area, just short of it. So this candle pushed down, but now it's starting to pull back. And again, this daily candle today very well could close bullish, right? So, or if it closes bearish like this, that would be a better confirmation for us to say, okay, we can confidently now look to take sells to move our way down here tomorrow, right? You have clean candles to the left-hand side. Looks pretty good. But we really do need a candle to close below this area here. Because look, if it doesn't close below, what's one thing that you notice about all these candles, right? All these candles right here, if you notice all these wicks, these were all bearish candles at one point, right? They were all strong bearish candles. But what's one thing that they were never able to do, right? Look at these, all of them in this level. One thing that they were never able to do was close below. But what happened when you got a candle to actually close below? See how the next candles drive, right? So again, another example of why it's so important to actually wait for candles to close, right? So I think we need to really see this daily candle close today. See if it does close bearish like this below this range, then we can confidently look to take sells here tomorrow. But if it closes bullish back in the range, then chances are, you know, we're gonna continue up. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour as well has not closed below anything. Pretty significant area here. Once you do break below or close below, you do have clean traffic to the left hand side, right? So once you do actually get a closure below this support, if you look left, you have clean candles to the left hand side that we could look to take advantage of here today. So yeah, we'll see if that happens, but we're definitely going to need a closure. We're rejecting right now, so just gonna have to wait here, right? Let's just scale down. So we know that the daily and the 4 hour have not closed below yet. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is pushing up pretty bullish after this rejection. So chances are we continue pushing up here today. We're probably going to see somewhat of a pullback, but this would be really nice if we can get a celery play here at 8 a.m., which is in 45 minutes. If we get a closure above this area, I believe we are pretty good to continue on up, right? So we'll take a look at that at the end of the hourly candle, but other than that, probably drive into this range here. Other than that, you may see some sort of a fake out. So again, we are pretty bearish, right? On the 4 hour, we're pretty bearish on the daily, pretty bearish on the weekly, right? So if we do get this candle to close back into the range, right? Something like this. Change the color. Something like this. Well, then we could potentially look to take our fake out back into the range to retest the lows. This would be your fake out right here, right? And then this would be our trading candle right here, right? So we'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye on this area, watch how this hourly candle and this 30-minute candle close. But other than that, that's probably going to be the day here. Probably going to be the day. So, and then if you want, you can take even more sells below here, right? So sells below, sells below. And then in terms of buys, you're gonna need a range 2 above here today. Or maybe even above, yeah, above here today. So range 2 buys look pretty clean, but we are gonna need to see that range form. And then if it does, we can go ahead and take our buys going up here, because we're very, very bearish, right? Here's the daily, here's the 4 hour high. If we break this daily high, then chances are we're gonna continue to push up. And if we do get a closure above this area, then you know, that'll indicate we're continuing to rise. So I think this is the daily high. So we can look for range 2 buys above here. If we get range 2 buys above there, perfect. If not, we take them above this area here at 161. So basically 161,900. Or we get the range 2 buys here, right? So let's kind of draw that out for you guys real quick. Range 2 would be something that forms like this, right? We won't take our buys coming up here. We'll wait for some sort of a pullback, right? So something like this to happen, create a resistance, right? Come down, create a support, and the only way we know we have a support is if we have this bullish candle close, right? And then we could look to take our buys to push back up. So that's what we'll be looking for in terms of buys. That's what we're talking about when we talk about range 2, because we've been faked out plenty of times in the past. We've learned from it, and there's no need to get faked out anymore. Obviously, you're never going to be able to control all fake outs and, you know, avoid all fake outs, but by using these range 2 range 2 breakouts, what we do is we really minimize the fake outs, right? So you basically have a range here, a resistance, you create a new support, which indicates that it's a new range, right? This is going to be like range 1, right? And then this will be range 2. And then we could look to take positions on this candle right here. All right. So yeah, that's the day here, chat. That's the day. It looks like we may be getting the fake out here, so that'll be pretty cool. Just gotta wait for this 30-minute candle to close, and then we'll take a look at what's going on at that point. Sound Gucci? Oh, I forgot to send the Zoom link. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Let me just send a Zoom link, chat. First time live, joined Discord yesterday. What's poppin', fellas? Yo, Bowser, what's going on? Welcome, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to the stream. Appreciate you subbing to the channel. If you guys haven't subbed, sub to the channel, man. We're here every day, Monday through Friday, 6:30, 6:45 a.m. Eastern. We trade gold, we trade GJ, we do a little bit of US30 as well. But if you haven't subbed to the channel, I would appreciate if you guys subbed. Like George said, let's get Nick to 300 subs today. So I think we're what, 2 or 3 away from that? So let's get there, gang. Let's get there. Minute 30 on gold. Yes, I'm watching it, brother. It's right here. Nothing happening yet. We need a resistance to close below this level here. Let me just fix my camera. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, so appreciate you jumping in. This is our Discord that we have. You guys are more than welcome to come on in here and join. We have a lot of good traders. We got a lot of people who trade Asian, people who trade London session, New York session. So you guys are more than welcome to come on into the Discord and plug on in. We got a bunch of cool stuff here, different announcements. Got a traders chat room that goes wild. A lot of great stuff going on in here. We also have beginners. If you have any questions as a beginner, you're more than welcome to, ask them in this chat. Crypto talk, which has been a little dead, but I think it might start coming back. If you got a cool desk setup, don't hesitate to share the setup. And yeah, if you're reading some good books, let us see what you're reading. Let us see what you got going on. Any art? Any food pics? You already know, drop some food pics in here. See what you're grubbing on. Trying to get like green though, eating that lobster tails, But yeah. Usually every day I'll post an analysis. Got the YouTube live streams. If you guys have any charts that you want me to review on stream, you could post the charts in here. But then you got the Asian session, New York session, London session. So let's see, anything go off in London last night? Oh, nice. Sells from up there. Beautiful. Buys. Dang. Okay, Red FX. Beautiful. Oh, George, another. Oh, this was the other day, right? This is Friday. Yeah, or Thursday. But yeah, chat. So more than welcome to join the free Discord as well. You caught the short in London. Very nice. Yeah, that was nice. Nice sells here in London session. Beautiful. So 30-minute candle is pushing up a bit. Price may want to continue up. One thing I do like about this is that we are making higher highs and higher lows, right? So you have a low, you have a high, you have a low, you have a high, new low, new high. And as long as this low right here respects this low, then we can continue pushing up here. 4-hour time frame is probably starting to make its way back up. Oh, I'm sorry, this is GJ. Okay. So perfect. So it looks like we may close bullish here. We need a closure above this area here though. And then we can look to take our buys. Because right now we're still pretty bearish, right? Still pretty bearish. Yeah, GJ, I know. Let's take a look at the news here. You have a Japanese yen holiday here today, so not sure how much action will be going on. Either way, the yen is closed at this point anyway. So when we're trading GJ during the New York session, we're really just trading the movement on the pound, right? So not much going on here today. Tomorrow though, we do have some existing home sales coming in, and we do have FOMC stuff going on Wednesday, and then unemployment claims are coming out on Thursday, and then Friday we have all this good stuff, right? So PMI, durable goods orders, so a lot of stuff having to do with the US dollar here this week. So but yeah, not much going on here today in terms of any news, so should be pretty decent. Hey, yo, what up, Green? Greenery. What up, Nico?
Good day, brother.
Good morning, good morning. How we doing? Living the beach life.
Yeah, bro, just got back.
Nice, man. Looked like you had a great time.
Bro, yes, it was epic.
Epic. It looked epic, I'll tell you that.
Thanks.
I like how you got the bikes in the crib now too.
Yeah, that's the move.
That's that bike life right there.
Bike life.
What up, Green? There he is. Scott texts me. He's a little busy in the early part of the morning, but he'll be on as well. He'll be on soon. But we got 23 watching. Can we get a couple likes here, chat? Let's get a couple likes on the stream. That way this can get out to more people. The algorithm can set us up here. So if you guys haven't liked the stream, like the stream, sub to the channel. Appreciate you guys. We are at 298 subs, so it looks like we're gonna hit 300 subscribers here today, and really do appreciate you guys, man. We're putting this on for you guys. You know, I can simply sit here and trade myself like I've been doing, but the goal is to give back, right? The goal is to you know, build a community where we can help other traders. So that's what we're here to do, and if you're for that, like the stream and give us a sub to the channel. And green is officially here, ladies and gentlemen, so you know it's going to be a great day. You know it now. Let's do a quick breakdown here on US30 as well. So US30, like we talked about last week, we closed below this, right? We closed below this level here on the weekly time frame, which indicates that we are golden to continue driving down, right? You have these areas down here, price kind of tapping into, but below that, you know, you have more clean traffic down here. So lot of room, lot of range to drive for US30. You've got that closure on the weekly time frame. Let's go see how the daily closed. So that's the one thing about the daily here, is that we are in a mess. right? We are in a mess right now. Let's mark off this support. So we are just chopping around, right? Daily candles, they don't know what they want to do, right? It doesn't know if they want to move up, if they want to move down, right? And you're basically just caught up in a range at this point. So you're stuck in this range here on the daily time frame, right? Really no decisions being made by any candle right now. We do need a leader to step out, right? We need some candle to say, I'm going to lead the way and either close above or below these supports or resistances, right? Because we can't trust it. We can't trust these sells because if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 attempts now. 7 attempts, 7 candles that looked juicy, right? Just like this. They look bearish as they come, right? But what's one thing we noticed? They all pulled back up and none of them were able to close above this level here. I mean below this area here, right? So really waiting for a daily candle to step out and you know, make the way here for the next daily candle. So a bit of consolidation here on the daily time frame, kind of looking like a barcode. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, see what's going on with that. So one thing we notice on the 4-hour is we've created a support and we have a resistance in this area. So this is kind of the range that we're in right now in the 4-hour time frame. If we scale down to the 1-hour, let's take a look. You have this area right here, this support, where price has broken above now. Really, you want to wait for the 4-hour. So you want to wait for this 4-hour candle to close on US30 because US30 doesn't really get ripping until 9 a.m., right? So you do have a 30-minute celery play here, which you could take advantage of. I won't be trading this. But you do have this celery play. You got to be careful for that resistance right there. I would wait for a breakout if I were you, and look to take your buys above this level here, which is what, 31899, and then sells would be pretty much below this area. We'd have to see some sort of a range be created, and then we can take sells coming down because we are semi-bearish, but the daily time frame really throws us off here in terms of looking for entries here. But I think you're pretty good if you wait for a closure above this area or below this support today. So that's kind of what it's looking like here on US30. All right, so candle closed. So it looks like you do have a 30-minute celery play here. Let's take a look at the 1-hour. 1-hour is looking clean. Yeah, chat. I think we're gonna have sell stops here. Let me pull this up. Hopefully we're not too late to the party. So we broke the 4-hour low. 1-hour is bearish. We have room to drive. 30-minute. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick with my sells below here, chat. Looks clean though. So if it's something that you want to get into, looks pretty clean. Looks like you have a wick fill of about 56 pips, so not bad at all. But I really want to see the daily low break before we take any sells today. Or before I take any sells. But this could very well work itself out here. You do have the celery play. So one thing I don't like is that we broke the high. But once we break this low, price should continue down to fill this wick here.
Yo, good morning, brother.
Yo, yo. Morning, John.
What's up?
What's the good word?
Not much.
How was your weekend?
Pretty good. How was yours? I didn't really do much.
Gucci. It was good.
Nice.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, not a bad play here on this celery. So I'm not gonna take it right now. We're going against a daily bias here, and at any point this candle could push down and then continue to push back up. So it's Monday. I'm gonna wait for that low to break. If we break that low, then I'll look to take my sells coming down. Feels good now when I open my YouTube. You're the first one on the screen. Oh, nice. Still holding a runner short from London. Oh, nice. Yeah, if you're holding runners, that's amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful. What up, Sam? Good morning, bro. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. I got the same play for today, aka daily low broke for sells, etc. Yeah, I'd feel way more comfortable waiting for that low to break. Happy Monday and happy to be here. Word. Happy to have you here, bro. Hey, chat, we need one more subscriber to get to 300. I know there's gotta be, out of the almost 30 people here, there's gotta be at least one or two that are not subbed to the channel already. So if that's you, sub to the channel, man. Quit playing with me. Yeah, I'd much rather see that daily low here. I'm gonna stick with that, right? That's the plan from earlier, and that's what I'm gonna stick to. I'm not gonna let any emotions get involved here. No point in doing that, right? These pips, they're just not my pips here today. My pips are below here, so those are your pips, but they're not mine today. John, you catch anything in London?
Nah, I didn't take anything in London. There's a couple opportunities, but stops are massive for me.
Stops
like
are too
that
big.
salary play. I know George caught it.
Oh, really?
The stops were too massive for me. Went up like 44 pips or so.
That was in London?
Yep. It was nice too. Nice salary.
GJ was playing around, huh, last night, Sam? I really haven't checked the markets at all. So today was really my first day seeing what's been going on since Friday morning. Yeah, you were right. I was thinking sells to correct the Asian bullish move up. Good work, George. Looking left, yup, perfect. Red FX is always in the chat. So shout out to Red FX. Always in the Discord. My man is up for every session. Don't matter if it's Asian, London, New York, he's there. He is there. 1 minute charts wild. Oh man. Oh, we cracked 300 subs. Nice. Appreciate you guys. Round of applause. Awesome. Thank you guys. 300 to 3,000, baby. As you can see, George asked my thoughts on gold. You know, my thoughts on gold are super bullish according to everything going on in the economy. A lot of uncertainty in the US dollar that will cause the price of gold to rise as more investors look for a safe haven currency, right? But as always, we'll follow price action, follow our system like any other day. Should be a good week, right? So same thing, right? Same thing. Doesn't matter really what's going on. We know the volatility's there this week, but we still have to follow price action, right? We still have to follow our game plan, follow our system. Otherwise, we would be degenerate gamblers at that point. And we are professional traders. We are not degenerate gamblers. And that's why I did not take this salary play here, because I've got some experience. So 3,000 by the end of the day. Facts. Can we get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of the day? This week we'll bust a ton of traders. Yeah, if they aren't patient and following a plan. We got tons of news, all that stuff you shared on your Instagram story. There will be plenty of pips to catch this week. Yep, well said, bro. And next week, and the next week, and the next week, and the next week, and the week after that, and the month after that, and the year after that. So no need to rush. Okay? Gabish? My mom used to say to me all the time, Gabish? Bro, I will say if I will say though, if gold breaks all-time highs again, that means stuff's about to hit the fan, yo, for real. For real, man. A lot of craziness going on in the US economy. A lot of craziness going on with the US dollar and the banks and the Fed. It's getting crazy out here, man. It's a great time though for professional traders that are patient, traders that have an edge, know how to execute. Great times are ahead for us. So it's something special happening right now. But like Sam said, this will bust a ton of traders who aren't patient and following their plan. So guess what we're gonna do, chat? We're gonna be patient and we're gonna follow our plan. Right, John?
Yes, sir.
We don't let the hype get to us. We don't let the craziness. You know how many traders are coming into this week with I'm excited too, but you know how many traders are coming and they can't bottle their excitement, they can't contain it, and they just enter trades blindly. They go against their plan. They see candles, they see trends, and they just, let me jump in, right? And there's no solid game plan there. So they will be eaten alive this week. Don't be one of them, chat. I think by now, if you guys have been here for quite some time, you understand the professionalism that comes into this craft. And that's just what it is, man. You just got to be a professional. And once you become professional and you stay disciplined and you can really keep your emotions intact and stay robotic here, things are gonna change for you, and you're gonna start to see consistent profitability.
Yeah, you must be a professional in this if you want to be successful in this service.
Yep. So look at that. We broke the low, and now we're pushing back up. Just like we said, this daily candle at any point can continue pulling back up. That's why you have to wait for this low to break today in order to take sells. So 1 hour candle pulling back up as well here. 4 hour, I believe, just came down to create a bottom wick for Buddy over here. That's what it seems like. GJ.
Should be a 1 hour fake out.
Yeah, so we're looking at a possible 1 hour fake out here on GJ. If we do get a bottom wick and we open up and we close below this area here, then we could look to take sells coming down. But we have to wait. Gotta wait another 15 minutes here for that. Nick helps me become a more professional trader each and every day. Yeah. So, I mean, that's the idea, right? And being a pro is just sticking to your plan, right? Staying disciplined, don't letting emotions get in the way. A lot of people in this life are just swayed by emotions, man, right? They're swayed by their feelings, and it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work here. It's not gonna work in life in general. You'd be all over the place. You really need to stick to a militant mindset and a militant routine and system. Otherwise, you just move around, wave, like you just blow with the wind, right? If someone makes you mad, you're mad. If someone makes you sad, you're sad. Like, it's just, man, you just got to control your own emotions.
If you don't follow the rules, you're not going to get anywhere in this game, and you're just going to be running in circles throughout your whole journey or path of trying to become successful.
Yep. If you were undisciplined here and you just wanted to get in because you seen a celery, like there's celery plays that there's a time and a place, right, for these positions, right? So this wasn't the time and the place, right? You're super bullish on the day, right? We're super bullish on gold. You need to wait for this low to break on the daily, but if you weren't patient, you enter this position, and now, yes, this could still drive down, but now you're punching the air and you're saying, I should have just listened to this guy. I should have just listened to this random dude on YouTube right now. I'm on his stream anyway. Why didn't I just listen? Because now you don't know this. If this comes up and breaks the high, which I'm sure most stop losses are at, well, you're tapped out, right, at that point. But right now, you don't know which way it wants to go. So and
And when entering a position, everything has to align. The 1 hour, the 4 hour, the daily, they all have to align.
Yeah.
Everything should just be clear and make sense.
Yeah. Like the famous quote that Don always says, I'm not trying to be shitting my pants in a trade, right? You don't wanna be unconfident in your position. You're right. We're talking about money here. We're talking about, you're showing up to a session. Just relax, right? Just wait for price to get to where you have an edge, and then that's when you execute, right? If you start executing too early, it gets messy, man. It gets messy.
Especially with money or emotions, it's gonna be a lot harder to control our emotions. So,
yeah,
that's more of reasons to remind ourselves of the rules that we have to follow.
100%.
Each step, every day.
Looking at 15-minute on gold. We'll go for a buy if price breaks the high. That buy is clean traffic. Nice. Very nice. Best thing I ever learned from Raja was once you remove emotions from the decision you make, it becomes a lot easier to make the right one. Exactly. 100%, man. 100%.
When you remove emotions, you have logic.
Right. Correct. Where's Joe at?
I'm not even too sure.
Joski? Where's the broski Joski?
Be in the chat.
Yeah, Raja made bank today. My boy pulled out a 400K win last night in London.
He's savage.
He made big money.
He's a professional.
Yeah, his biggest trade of his career. Amazing, man. Shout out to Raja. That's why I studied everything he's done. He took his buy right here, I believe, right? Right here, after 1 hour. Right here. Right when those highs break. Shit. That's nice. That's a nice position right there. I mean, I was sleeping, right? So that was, I believe, was that during the London session?
Was that the salary?
So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, that was 1 a.m. 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, what a beautiful move that was, huh? Pretty sure he said he was targeting 4-hour highs, which is perfect. Simple price action though, yep. We could all achieve the same results, exactly, right? If you were watching price here, right, last night, and you see this, and then you see all of a sudden a candle start breaking these highs, and you've pushed up, right? You've came down, created a support. Well, that's your entry at the break of those highs, and then boom, you know, beautiful candle there. Yeah, that was a nice position. Very nice. That was a beauty. All we want is financial freedom, and that is what you shall get, my friend. Just remain disciplined, remain professional, right? You notice everything Raja takes is normally the same thing every time, right? If you notice everything we take, it's pretty much the same play every time. So don't go always looking for the next best thing, right? If you found something that clicks in your brain and makes sense to you in terms of a strategy, just commit to it. Commit the next 6 months to honing in and watching the strategy play out every time, and in 6 months you will have yourself a lot of sample size data, and that in return will make you confident, and that'll turn you into a professional. But I did see that. That was freaking beautiful. $1 a.m., man.
Yeah, I just saw that. I just looked at it now.
I was out like a light. Shout out to you guys that are in the UK, and you guys are able to trade London, man. I wish what time is London in the UK again? Is that 8 a.m.? That would be freaking amazing.
Facts, 8 a.m. London and then New York.
Oh my god. That's amazing. That's why the yeah, London is open 8 a.m., dude. That's amazing. Yeah. That's why a lot of Forex traders really come from the UK and stuff. Like a lot of the United States traders, they mainly trade stocks, right? It's stocks are a lot bigger in the US than Forex. I get on the charts for 6:30. Yeah, it's fire. That's awesome. So our move on Thursday was, wow, wasn't that a beauty or what? That was nasty. We ended up pushing like 300 pips after that, I believe.
I believe that was Friday.
Oh, Friday, my bad. That was money. I woke up at 2 a.m. to trade London at home because I work full time, so I can only use my phone for New York. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, the London session is lit. I used to trade the London session, but not anymore. Yeah, man. I checked the chart at like 5 p.m. that night, and I was like, damn. Wow, that thing really pushed. So we have the NY Open here in about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. See if we can get a push up here in 5 minutes. Yeah, Friday was crazy. Yeah, the fact that our runner got stopped on Friday, oh man, I was like, damn.
Yeah.
Just got tapped too, man. Looking back, if I was looking at the 15-minute time frame, I would have kept my stop underneath that low because we were just coming down to make a bottom wick for the 15-minute candle. But peak viewers, oh, peak viewers is in the house. Nice. What do we got? Oh, cool. 37, 30. Yeah, appreciate you guys stopping by the stream. If you guys can, like the stream while you're here, sub to the channel, and come join us, man. We're here every single day. Every day. But yeah, we want to see a bullish closure above this range here. If we can get what we're looking for, man, we will be in. Let's say we get 8:30 to pop like that, then or 8 a.m. to pop like this, then 8:30 we could take our buys coming up. That's what I'll be looking for here.
Sir.
Peak viewers. We're making new higher highs on in the chat. We're making new higher highs on the viewers. So we got 2 minutes for the NY Open. Let me just get some more water and I'll be right back. right. So 30-minute candle close and 1 hour candle close bullish. 30 close with no top wick. Yeah, so really want to see a closure above here today. Nothing just yet. Anybody taking any positions here today? In the New York session? Did anyone actually get in on this celery here?
I would have liked to see GJ close below that 160 level.
Yeah, how'd we close there on GJ?
It didn't close below.
Oh yeah. Where'd my markups go? Oh, there they go. Yeah, so still nothing on gold, nothing on GJ, nothing on US30 just yet. Hey brother, good morning. Can't find gold spot on TradingView. What's it under? It's gonna be under XAU USD. So right here, if you see it right here, XAU USD. That's where you'll find gold on TradingView. Yeah, I got you. No problem. No problem, Augustin D. Spirito. What a name. Sounds like royalty. Sounds like royalty. Sounds like you're the gold connect for gold bars. I need gold bars. I need physical gold. Dude, this is gonna be nuts. Look at that. They're looking to bring this to 5%. The banks are hoping that they go lower, I believe, to bail them out a little bit. But, man, Powell's got a job to do here.
It's wild.
He's got a tough job, that man. The fact that he's only making, well, at least they say he's only making $250,000 a year. He needs to be getting paid like LeBron James money. For real. He really does. He's got a tough job.
Yo.
Morning, Jay.
What up, Jay?
Good morning, my man.
What's up, brother? How are you?
Happy Monday.
Fresh shave?
Oh yeah, had to.
Okay, I see you. Looking clean. You get a shave up on the hair too?
No, hair stayed long. Just like cleaned up the back and then the sides.
Nice. Very nice. How was your weekend, bro?
But weekend was good, my man. It was
Nice.
nice and sunny over here. Can't complain.
Oh, the weather was nice?
Yeah.
Dope.
How
Yeah.
about you guys? How was you guys this weekend?
It was great. It was great. It seemed like the weather was nice all over the country outside of Florida. Florida was like 60 degrees yesterday.
No.
Yeah.
I was like,
I was it's pretty good. I didn't really do much though.
Chilling weekend.
Yeah, just chilling. Yeah.
Dude, it's the best weekend. If I don't
For
do
sure.
anything, that's a good weekend for me. I
Yeah,
ain't doing shit.
facts. Seriously.
yeah. Nick, why don't you add a tutorial videos on YouTube playlist? It helps a lot. What tutorials would you like? And maybe we'll add them. Give me some feedback. Maybe I'll put some. How do you draw candles on TV? Is it a tool from TV? I can't find it. Oh, the way I draw candles is Zoom annotations. Right here. Candles. Right. Got it all on here. All different shapes and sizes.
So what are you guys thinking today? 1983 retest at 2K? 2K breakout?
Yeah, dude. You never know here, man.
You guys think it's
Definitely
2K breakout
happen.
today?
Definitely could happen.
I feel like we could. We
Might
could
wait
push
for
it out.
Wednesday.
But yeah, I think we might do like the real push, like Wednesday or Thursday.
Yo, because dude, there's a lot going on, man. There's a lot of shit going on.
Market's about to start crashing.
So
I've been calling this shit since last year. But y'all see, y'all wait for this motherfucker to start putting out more and more money.
yeah, man.
If you guys haven't been listening to Robert Kiyosaki, that man is laying
A little
some,
bit. Yeah, he's
some,
great.
Recession-proof little keynotes there. I would definitely recommend listening to him.
Yeah, he's great, dude.
Yeah, he's definitely. I mean, he's laying down some pretty good, solid foundations for how to, be prepared and for like what's to come and shit. Cause this guy, I mean, he's been saying it longer than me. This dude goes back to like almost 10 years. He's like, don't trust the darling.
Yeah, he's been on point. He's been on the money for a long time now. So
His prediction just took a while, but now that it's coming
Yeah.
to play, it's here.
yeah, it's hard to ignore a guy that's always been on the money,
Mm-hmm.
So
The man was on it.
yeah, smart
He has
dude.
like this. He has a podcast on YouTube. I don't know if you guys listen to it. It says the truth of money. I don't know if you guys
Really?
seen that. It's really good. He talks about basically the economy, the state of the, just currency in general from everywhere. How the U.S.'s currency is devaluing. What's happening? What Yellen is saying. Basically, what happened on Friday, dude, is some real shit. They basically told everybody like, if you got money in a small bank, I'm sorry, y'all boys is fucked. I ain't coming to save you. I ain't saving y'all.
They're banking on Powell to save him, lowering
Yeah, but
rates, but that ain't gonna happen.
Yellen already called it.
Yeah.
Friday's C-SPAN report. She's like, we're only gonna save big banks. Like if you're
Yup.
if you have like if you're a small bank,
Yup.
and if you're worthless to us, like, you're not worth saving. So,
Yeah. Nah, I heard that. Yelling, man.
Yeah, that's nice.
he
Crazy.
literally just straight up said it like,
No.
nah, we're not gonna save you guys. We're gonna save the big guys.
The big dogs, and that's it. What up, Tandy?
What up, boys?
Good morning, my bro. Tandy's in the building, chat.
Good morning, you beautiful people.
His dog is ready to go at our command today.
He's ready like Scooby-Doo right now. His back legs are going.
That's funny.
Yo, I just saw your message, Nick. I really appreciate that, dude.
Oh, of course, bro. Proud of you, man.
My boy. I'm proud of you.
Wait, what are we proud about?
Tandy, man. We know where Tandy came from.
Fendi Shandy.
So are you talking about Friday?
Nah,
Are you talking
like
about Friday?
nah. I mean, just overall
in
in general. Just I love.
In general.
I love Tandy, and he's done an incredible job at improving, and from where he was at to where he is now, it's just amazing. It's admirable.
Street story. It ain't ready yet.
Yeah, bro. We're getting there, you know?
Perfect growth.
Yup. Growth,
Good
baby.
morning, Fort. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, Musa Mill.
Gang, I followed you on Instagram. Awesome that you're a Christian. Amen. Yeah, Jesus is king. Jesus saves. Go walk that dog.
Nah, there's nothing happening.
Yeah, not yet. We gotta save Odin's legs for when we need him most.
Yeah, it's coming.
Holy shit, though, dude. Friday is push was insane.
Oh my god, bro, that was.
Damn, son. I didn't know that, dude. 1950, bro.
That was an incredible
that shit
push.
Fucking ripped.
It really did.
Dude, I was so surprised gold did that, man. Like when I left Friday, I came back like Friday night and I saw that massive rally. I was like,
Yep.
holy shit.
Yeah, man.
Jeez.
I remember my brother Joe texted me. He was like, "Yo, gold's still ripping." That was at like 4:30. I looked at the chart. I was like, "Wow."
Yeah.
Wow.
That shit was insane. That shit was insane.
Tandy, you're in a hoodie again today, huh?
Yeah, it's
Ah,
brisk out
that's
there.
how you know it's cold out here.
It's
Is
brisk.
that break right now?
Bro, yesterday?
Yeah,
Yes.
to the sun for some reason.
Bro, yesterday was freezing, dude. In the
Yeah.
morning, it was like 50 something degrees. I was like, yo, I haven't felt that in a while.
Yeah, that's wild. I wasn't expecting that.
It was windy too, man.
Get the puffer jacket out.
The wind's probably so much stronger.
Once the sun came out, it wasn't too bad. But in the morning, like, it was really cloudy. And yeah, like, people were legit, like, dressed like it was winter in New York. I was like, oh, wow.
Yeah, they got the earmuffs on and everything, dude.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
You gotta enjoy the cold, man. Come on.
Yeah, go ahead and take out your freaking Canada Goose jacket and wait for the sun to come out.
How cold is it in Seattle right now?
It is 40.
Oh, dang it.
40 in Seattle.
40 and cloudy, no rain.
That's 48 here, so, you know, Seattle, Florida, same thing.
Is it really?
Yeah, I mean, that's what my...
Oh, 45. Oh, damn.
27 here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what?
With a weak sun.
Yeah.
Hey.
Gotta be grateful for what you got, I guess.
Grateful for breath.
Yeah. All right. So, damn. Goes back
Where's
in
Scott?
range.
Scott's here? No?
Scott, so Scott texted me. He said he had to do something in the morning, and then he'll be on in a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, he hit me up earlier.
I like that little nugget that he put in there.
Yeah, in the Discord, right?
Man,
Well, that's
awesome.
one of the reasons why he's not on yet is because he's doing some stuff. I guess his daughter wasn't feeling that good, so he says it's better to take care of this and not have my mind half there, half here, and he's right.
Definitely. Yo, good morning, George.
George is
That's
in the
not true.
house.
Brilliant minds in here.
George is here. Everyone's here. Anthony's here. Anthony, did you take buys?
You're at peak viewers right now, dog.
Oh, snap. We're at peak viewers. Appreciate you guys coming on by, stopping by on this beautiful Monday. It's going to be a good week. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, lock it in, chat, because we are going to be making some moves here this week. We'll be broadcasted live every day.
Here's the Discord.
Appreciate you guys pulling up, though. Oh, yeah, we'll put a link to the Discord in the chat so you guys could jump in there. Free Discord we have here. You're more than welcome to come on in and join. Ton of great channels here and awesome talk going on in here as well.
Hey, why doesn't it post as a link? I'm doing it wrong.
What did I do? Discord.
Where's Green at? Green always hates this, huh?
Green's our moderator here. I guess I'm gonna have to fill in.
Yeah, I'm not doing it right.
Oh, there's
There it
George.
Oh,
Appreciate you, George.
what did I do?
Oh, there he is, Bowser. Okay, in the building. Glad to be here. Yup, glad to have you here, bro. And welcome to the stream. Bowser's new to the stream. Welcome. Appreciate you, George. Where's Tandy at? Where is Tandy? There he is.
Hey.
Green said, "Where you at, Tandy?"
Green was looking fresh over the weekend.
Oh, I know. I had to comment, bro. I was like, "Damn, son, my boy looking clean."
Yo, what up, Green?
Had to
Green.
give him a little kiss on the forehead. Respect for that drip, bro.
Yo, that was drippy drip, Green. Not even gonna lie. I told you. It wasn't just me. I think everyone thought you were big dripping.
My man said you were so drippy he wanted to kiss your forehead.
Little appreciation kids. Yo, stop.
Green's mysterious to everyone else. No one knows what his face looks like. He's gonna be wearing a mask when he comes on Zoom. Just wear like a straight up green mask. Like just get a green piece of paper and just cut it like a square and just tape it onto your head. And then just show up like that. And just spit
Look like
game.
Minecraft characters. I know your son has one of those Minecraft heads. Just wear that.
Oh, Anthony's gonna get in or what? Oh, that's the 1 hour. He was talking about the 15-minute. So 8 a.m. volume here. You've created a bottom wick. You're breaking the high. Should be able to push up here, but gonna be waiting today. Where we at, Clue? Peak viewers, huh? Doo-doo-doo. You may even get a 4-hour celery play at 9:30. Gotta look left to get right here, chat.
Hell yeah.
Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, anybody who got involved in this play here is probably in a bit of a drawdown now. Probably stops are sitting up there, I'm sure. Doo-doo-doo. Looking good for us though, setting up nicely. That tracement was needed. Yeah, definitely. We needed this right here. We needed that push down. GJ. Can we get a close below? Here comes 820, so you should have some volume coming into gold right now. Should see a push here in 2 seconds. There's your, here comes your push for Comics Open. Should break the high now. If we can get a closure above, that'd be nice. Minute 15 is still the same area for me. You really want to break out of this. But you are starting to push higher. Yeah, you have the Comics Open here, so I guess you got a little bit of a push, but nothing crazy here today. I'm waiting for the break of the high for price to break up. Yeah, yep. Same here.
That previous daily's kind of.
Yeah, that's what we talked about, man. No top wick on that daily.
And then that 4 hour kind of broke the previous.
Yep, 4 hour broke the low. Maybe just gave it a bottom wick. So if this 4 hour can close above this area here, then you basically have the 4 hour celery play at that point. So you could possibly look to take buys like that. But you need it to close above here. $8 a.m. hasn't done much yet. Got a couple minutes here for the 30-minute candle to close, so we'll see what happens here. See what happens on GJ too, because oh, never mind. Never mind. That's our little issue with pound yen as well here. You never had a candle close below this area yet. This candle fell just shy. So we really need a candle to close below. On the daily, because then we can come down into these ranges. Right now we're just rejecting, right? So if this candle can actually close below, then tomorrow will be really clean for really clean to take sells back in this position, back in this range here. Oh, and there goes everyone's stops that were taking those sells. But this is good. If we can get a closure above here, it would be pretty clean. Pretty clean. Really would love to see it. 30-minute candle here, closes above. Next one should be able to continue up. Retest these highs up here. See if we could do it. $15 rejecting. Not a lot, not a big push here in the NY Open today. Not a big push. Every 30 minutes, I think we get peak viewers. Because they come in, they see, oh, is he going to take a trade at the 30-minute close? All right, nope, let's get out of here. Let's go back to another one. Let's get back to our other stream. There's an image that comes to my mind for that, but I do not want to show you guys.
I think you should.
I don't think we could do that. Not on YouTube. Okay, okay. Can we close above here in 3 minutes? Yeah, I'll be back in a half hour, Nick. Just check in with me every 30 minutes. That's funny. So yeah, if we don't close here on the 30 above, then we'll just be waiting now for the 4-hour candle to close. And then as long as the 4-hour candle closes above this level here, then we should be pretty good to take buys if we get a celery play. You got a 100 pip range right here. So that will be the target. One minute. Come on, all the viewers got to come back. Got 1 minute. Hey, I'm rereading the Forex Mindset. Amazing book, guys. If you guys have not read the Forex Mindset, highly recommend checking it out. Order it on Amazon. Great book right here. Amazing book. Jay, you read that one, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the Forex Mindset.
Yes, sir. recommendation for me.
Yeah, that was a good one. Tandy, how you doing on the 5 a.m. club?
Done. Almost done.
Oh, nice.
My man's like, done.
Yeah, man. That's
Done. Almost.
I got 4 chapters left.
it's like
Yeah.
how many chapters were there? 10? And you got 4 left? What's going on with you, bro? Yeah, nah, that's a great book.
Done with it.
I'll get the board. That'll be
That
nice.
book you don't want to put down. Like, you don't even want it to end.
Phenomenal.
That's-
You know,
That's how you know you got a good book on your hands, when you're upset that it's over.
I applaud everybody who can read a book. I have to listen to it because I fall asleep.
Yeah, you know what my mentor used to say? Then read standing up.
Fuck that. I just listen to it. I like doing is I like getting the book and then listening to it because then I feel like I'm not reading because I'm just kind of following along.
Yeah.
It's a little cheap, but yeah, no, I fall asleep from.
Yeah, and you
Like,
could
if I'm
always
just reading.
you could even speed up the how fast the audible goes.
Mm-hmm.
So if your brain can still comprehend it, like, you could turn the speed up a little bit, finish the book even faster.
5-hour book, you finish it in an hour. How'd you do that? I just sped it up all
Just
the
put it
way.
on 10x speed. If you want to get about in the Forex trading is whoa. Let's take a look at GJ. How'd we close? Bullish. No bottom wick either. Still waiting here, chat. If this candle would have closed bearish, I would have been open to take sells there, but if we would have closed like that, then I would have been open to taking a position there. But nothing. Yeah, NY Open really not doing much at this point. Just it's like a dud here. It's a dud. So nothing we can do just yet, chat. But that's how you know you're winning at trading, right? I heard a very, very successful trader talk about in an interview that trading, you're starting to get good at trading when trading becomes boring to you, right? So this is pretty boring, right? We're just waiting here for price to get to the levels we want it to. And we're not budging on anything, right? We're not budging on any little push up or push down. We're waiting for our plan. We're waiting for our system. We're waiting for our setup. And that's what it's about, man. That's what's gonna keep you in the game long term and continue to keep you profitable week after week, month after month, year after year, is really just staying robotic, staying disciplined, and not letting your emotions get too much of you, right? A lot of traders today, they're coming in and they're saying there's crazy stuff happening over the weekend. The markets are gonna be insane. I gotta get into a trade right away. Raja made 400,000 this morning. I need to make money, And
that was pretty.
that's just not how it goes, right? Raja made that money because he waited for his setup to show up, right? I'm sure he was stalking that for what, 1, 2, 3, 2.5 hours before his position came up, right? And then once it did, he took this buy. So no different here, man. We're just gonna sit tight, wait, and do what we do every day. And over the long haul, that's gonna make you profitable and a professional trader. But yeah, Raja went crazy on that trade. My man made what, 300K or 400K?
But over.
That was a beauty. That was a beaut. That happened at 1 o'clock in the morning though, for me. So I was sleeping. But hey, that's the guy that I'm following. These guys have known I've been all over Raja for like 2 years now, and that's where our future's going, right? You see Raja closing 300K trades. Well, guess what? If you're doing the same thing as he is, then in just a few years you'll be doing the same thing. So get ready.
Yeah, Nick's nickname used to be Raja Lover. What was the number? Like 52 or something?
Yup.
Raja Lover.
The guys used to call me Raja Lover, blah blah blah.
That's Raja's biggest fan right there.
And I'd be like, you better believe I love Raja. You better believe.
Raja Lover.
But you know what? I committed to the system, right? I committed to one strategy and just didn't look left, didn't look right. Just every day honed in and focused on sample sizing the data that comes from our system. And you know, now it's paying off. But yeah, good times. Raja Lover.
Yeah, I told Nick with him.
Oh, Raja's coming to Miami, so we might have to link. He'll be at the summit.
Oh.
Might have to pull up. I'd go crazy, bro. I feel like I was like a girl seeing Justin Bieber for the first time.
It's funny though, because when I met Justin Bieber, that's exactly how I met him. Some girl was just wilding out, dude. I'm like, what's going on over here? Wait, is that Justin Bieber? What in the world? My guy said, hey, Sarah, can you take this picture for us? I'm like, yeah, sure, no problem, Justin Bieber.
You want a picture too? Nah, I don't really care.
He asked me, yo, you want a picture too? That would have been funny as hell if I was like, nah, I'm good.
I don't really listen to your music, bro, but thank you.
Yeah.
You want a picture too, bro? You look like a fan. I'm good.
Dude,
I was-
that's what happened at my gym. I don't know if you remember that big dude that used to always play on those Disney movies as the bully. He was like the big dude. He lost a lot of weight. He was on Joe Rogan and all that stuff. Anyways, he was like on all the Disney channels, and my boy recognized him, and he was like, "Oh, let me go take a picture with them." And I took the picture, and he looked at me, and he was like, "You want a picture?" And I was like, "Nah, I don't."
Was that dude from like Drake and Josh?
He was like,
He had like black hair or whatever.
he had like a big old back.
What Disney movies?
That's hilarious.
Boy Meets World. Do you remember the bully?
Oh yeah, that kid.
Dude, I don't remember.
Oh damn.
Ethan Suppley. Look up Ethan Suppley. Suplee.
Ethan.
Ethan Suppley.
SU. Oh, here he is. Comes up right away. Oh no! Oh my God! This dude got jacked.
Yeah.
Holy! Look at this guy. God
dude, this is
damn.
the guy from what's his name?
He was in all those funny, scary movies and stuff. And
Yeah, he's also in like My Name Is Earl.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was funny. I remember him.
That show is funny.
Oh, he's in that new movie Dog.
Yep.
He goes to your gym.
Oh, that's right. He was in Blow.
Yeah.
He was the dude's friend in Blow. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
In the beginning?
Yeah,
Tune off or something? Tune off?
Tuna.
Tuna.
Yeah.
Yeah, Blow. If you guys haven't seen Blow, man, y'all gotta check that one out. That was a good movie. Based on a true story, too.
Blow? How cocaine got introduced to the U.S.
Crazy movie.
Yeah, it's a great movie.
Wow, that dude got ripped, bro.
Yeah.
So he was in your gym today or not today?
Oh yeah, he's always there. But
Oh, yeah?
he goes with these kids, and this one girl is probably like 5 foot, and she'll literally squat 225 just easy.
That's hilarious.
Feel.
Y'all gotta get our girls like that.
Nah, I'm good.
I'm not the only one taking in the groceries now. Come on, I need some help.
You talk to your girl like that's all you can take? That's all you can bring in?
Come on, one bag.
You can do better than that.
Only 1 5-gallon thing of water? Come on.
Not gonna lie, I'd be putting all the bags on my wrist and just running it up.
Right?
Just
Yes.
accepting your role as a man.
Just putting
Yes,
like
sir.
5 bags each on each wrist, and then like gallon of milk in the hand, and just
Fucking it.
beasting my way to the front door.
Nick's just running up the stairs. Move out my way, move out my way.
I'll die to get everything all in one trip before I take the second trip, dude.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I mean, go super saiyan. He's got like 10 bags, 5 on each arm. He's got fucking water with him. Come on.
That's
Take
funny.
3 things of water.
It's only one trip. No bitch asses here.
So chat, looks like we got a resistance now here. So if we do get a closure below here now, we should be good to drive. You've created a resistance. You've created a second range. That's what we needed, right? We didn't want to take sells right here, just below this range. We needed a resistance to form. And now that we have that, if we get a closure here, should be good to push down.
And look at GJ. That's exactly why you go with the bias.
Wow, yep. GJ pushed up from there. We broke the daily high here on GJ as well. Oh, no, never mind. 4-hour high. Wow. It looks like a Monday to me, fam. 1 hour celery play there. Goldie, goldie, goldie though. Might be able to get sells here. Oh, nice 5 minute right here. Wow. See what happens on the close of the 15 here. Five minute was pretty clean there.
Alright, boys, I'm about to hop off.
Alright, broski.
Have a good day, y'all.
See you
You too,
mañana.
brother.
Appreciate you. See you soon.
See you tomorrow, bro.
Peace. All
Later.
right, peace.
Later. Nice push down there. Nice push on the 5 there. You had a nice closure, top wick. Nice. Anybody know what XAU USD is on Tradeovate? Tradeovate, what's that?
It's just like trading view. It's just usually used for futures.
Futures, right? I think it's just gold, no?
Yeah, I thought it was just gold too.
Yeah. Try just putting in gold maybe. Gold, USD, gold. Pretty nice if this 4 hour closes bearish, 1 hour closes below here. 30-minute as well. Looks pretty clean to continue down. This is nice because we're starting to create ranges, right? We're really high up here on gold. So there isn't much data to the left there. You know, once we break these highs, there's really no data to the left, right? So it's nice that we're creating some ranges here. Trade ovate. Futures, I believe, is just regular, just gold. Let's take a look. Yeah, if we can get this closed, then that'd be pretty sweet. Be right back. Folks be doing the most. Ain't got no worry. Oh, damn. Price is driving now. Couple more minutes here for the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15, 5 minute, all the closes are coming up here, so. Let's wait here. Looks like oh wow, 15 closed. Nice push. We're gonna wait for the higher time frames here to close though. Nico, what's for lunch today, bro? Is Nico still on there? Oh yeah, there it is. What's
Bro, it's rice, beans, meat. It's either, you know, chicken or beef, and salad every time.
Nice.
Nah.
My man gets a
Without
full spread brought to him every day at noon. That's that Dominican Republic life right there, man.
Yeah, bro. Shout out to my grandpa, bro. Mostly because of my grandpa.
My guy's cooking it up. That's fire.
Yeah,
Nothing like a good spread.
exactly.
Yeah, your trip looked dope too, man. It was a lot of... Seemed like you guys are doing a lot of fun stuff.
Yeah, bro, it's great, man. You know, my dad goes to his beach house every couple of weeks,
Yep.
and I try to join him. It's a 4.5 hour drive out there, but it's worth it every time.
Yeah, it looks worth it. Looked
Yeah,
amazing.
bro, it's great. Yeah, it's good stuff. Good stuff.
Good stuff. Pumping. We're gonna break the daily lows here, I think. We re-break those daily lows. Price could continue down a bit here. Looking at this from a 1 hour time frame, we may have been able to take this position here, but 30 it wasn't going to really work. Plus we're going against a daily bias, but 1 hour was pretty clean. Break of that low. Let's see if we can get a bit of a pullback here. Bit of a pullback. We've broken this wick, so we filled the wick here, which is nice. If we can continue down, this is our daily low right here. Even if we can get a closure below there, we're still good to continue down today. So that wouldn't be too bad. But yeah, based off the hourly, this was a pretty decent sell position. There was really nothing stopping it on the 1 hour. 30 minute you had this area here, but the 1 hour play was pretty nice. Five minute continuing to rip. Would love to see a bit of a pullback here though. Bro, Friday though, where was that position at? That was freaking... I think it was right here.
1935.80.
1935.80. Oh yeah, that was taken off the 30 minute, right? Yeah, right here. Wait, was that it? Yeah, 8 a.m. Yep, that was it right there. Bro, this thing flew.
That's crazy.
Absolutely flew. Came down, created a nice little support, and just continued ripping. That was nuts. So you may want to correct this too. Price may want to correct this before we continue bullish. That was a friggin' monster push. Did you pass the funding challenge with this strategy? Well, you can pass the funding challenge with any strategy, man, as long as you're willing to stay with that strategy, right? I personally believe all strategies work. It's just which one are you going to work and which one are you going to work at for a while, right? Because there's so many different ways that people trade. This is just one way, right? Everything works, and you see it working for people, and then you may say, why didn't it work for me? It's just because you didn't put enough time into the strategy. You didn't have enough data on the strategy. Every strategy is going to work. You know, every strategy. So you just got to really figure out which one works best for you, which one you comprehend better than other ones. For me, it was this type of strategy because there's not much going on, right? There's just candles and ranges. And I could easily put, you know, buys above here, sells below here. And it makes total sense for me. So any strategy you're going to be able to pass the funding challenge with, it's just getting good at that strategy, right? So just commit the time to it and you'll get it done. But this is good. Can we get a pullback? We got what, 2 minutes? 2 minutes. Let's take a look at GJ real quick. GJ pushing up here. Broke the 4-hour highs. Daily's a bit wacky. So what did we talk about, chat, right in the beginning of the stream today? How being that no candles on the daily have closed below this range yet, you may see this candle flip bullish, right? And that's what we're starting to see here now. So this candle broke the 4-hour candle has broken the highs. The daily's flipping bullish. So you may be creating a support here. You may very well be creating a support. Doesn't look bad though for the next 4-hour. Seller replay would be ideal. Asian session pumped last night, really nice. Kicking off Monday. One minute. so 4-hour candle has closed bearish. 1 hour is bearish, closed below this range. 30-minute closed below the range as well. $51 pips down to the bottom of that range. GJ closed above pretty nicely here. 1 hour candle closed above. Should be good to continue driving at this point. Broke the 4-hour highs, closed above the range. Daily candle flipping bullish. So you're flipping bullish on the daily, you're bullish on the 4-hour, you're bullish on the 1 hour, you're bullish on the 30-minute, bullish on the 15-minute as of right now, and trying to create a support here on the 5. So we'll keep an eye on GJ here as well. Pretty clean traffic. You got a wick fill here as well. So it's a new 4-hour candle, so no rush to really jump into it right away. Let's see if we can get a top wick here. Nice bottom wick there on pound yen. Minute 5 gold is bouncing off support. Yeah, we're gonna make probably a top wick here. Thing about our 30 and 1 hour, we really don't have a stop loss, right? Stops are pretty high. Way too high. So we would be forced to use like a 15-minute stop, which is about 47 pips. So we'll see. We'll see. Same thing with GJ, and they're both going against the daily bias here right now, so it gets a little tough. So they're new 4-hour candles, right? So we're gonna have to wait a little bit. If anything, we'll probably look to take positions 9:15, 9:30, and wait for something to form here, right? Because we don't want to jump in too quick, because we don't know if this is going to be the 4-hour bottom wick, right? In the first 4 minutes of a 4-hour candle, it gets a little tricky, right? You want to wait for a nice bottom wick. So just give it another like 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll see what we got our hands on. But 42 viewers. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for coming by. Like the stream, sub to the channel. Tune in with us, man. We'll be here every single day, Monday through Friday. Trading gold and pound yen and some US30. Yeah, if we can get a 30-minute celery play, that'd be ideal here. 9:30 NYSE open. That's gonna be something we could look to take advantage of. Thanks for the analysis this morning. I was able to close a nice profit on gold because of you. Nice. Capitalize on gold sell you called out. Also, long time Raja follower as well. Hey, yeah, Raja. Raja's the man. Yeah, I learned mostly everything from him. Voltran. That reminds me of what was that one movie? Was that Dude, Where's My Car? Zoltan! You remember that?
Yeah.
Zoltan! They were popping everyone's bubbles and stuff. Whoop! Whoop! Whoop!
That was a good movie.
That was a great movie.
What does mine say? Dude.
What does mine say?
No, what does mine say? God.
That was classic. That's a throwback. Appreciate you, Voltran, for bringing that memory back. Zoltan. GG. Hey, GG. Do. Let's get it, gold. Appreciate you guys coming by, subbing to the channel though. I think we got 10 new subscribers or something today, so appreciate you guys, man. You guys are more than welcome to tap in every day here.
What are you at, 305 now?
Oh, we in the 305. Yeah. First month, been moving pretty clean here. First month, February we had, what did we have in February? We had a slow month in February, but March is going pretty good so far. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 out of 8 trades we won in March so far. And then we went on a nice win streak there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We went on a 6 win streak. Then we took those 3 losses back to back. Well, one of them could have been avoided though. This impulse entry, that could have been avoided. But other than that, pretty good so far. This we had to take a full loss, no manage. I got spreaded into that. I know some of you guys didn't get in that trade, but I did get spread into that, so no way to manage that either. Those are my peoples. Oh, nice. Okay, cool, cool. I made so many pips with you, pip munching. It's time to eat, baby. It's time to eat. We're eating the pips. But yeah, not bad. Not bad. Couple celery plays in here. This GJ position was probably the best position of the week last week. That one ran for 60, and then I think it ran even further after that. That was that GJ sell we took. That was a nice one.
I gotta say the best play was
Yeah, Friday.
Friday's buy sore.
Yeah, Friday was nasty.
You did about 400 pips in one session.
Friday was one for the books for sure.
Mm-hmm. Although GJ giving out 60 pips.
Yeah, that's like gold giving out 400 right there.
That shit don't happen. GJ gives out like 10, 12 pips.
I know.
That's about it.
Nice, Bowser. Appreciate you bringing your people. Hopefully you can find a home here. We got a great community, so you guys are more than welcome to jump in, tap into our stream every day. We have some fun on here. Join your Discord too? Oh, nice, nice. Welcome. Welcome to the Discord. Yeah, the Discord is it's getting pretty lit in the Discord. I love the fact that everyone is communicating together, talking about things, going over stuff. Everyone seems to be talking the same language at this point, which is really good. And yeah, a lot of positions being taken during Asian London. So if you guys do trade those sessions, you guys have a whole community here during those hours. But welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome everyone. Got some new friends here in the Discord. Hello everybody, there you go. Very nice. Hey yo everybody. So what I'm waiting for here at this point is if we can get this bearish candle to stay above this range, then I think we could look to take our buys going up on the next candle once we re-break the high, right? So you could look for buys going up, something like this, and look to fill these areas up here, right? That's on GJ. So just waiting for that celery play at this point. And then I think the same thing on gold here. Gold, if we do end up wanting to push down here on gold, then same exact play. Right? So you're basically looking at this play right here on both pairs. Right, this is one of our favorite plays. We've had a 92% success rate last year on this position. So when it comes down to potentially waiting for that, I'm always down to wait for something like that, right? So now you see it here only in the opposite direction, right? Here's another bullish celery play. All right, this pattern is golden. I think Uncle Scalp took this position right here last night, which was nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. So that's what we're waiting on here. It's gonna probably be one more 15-minute candle on both pairs. Doo-doo. $305 to $306. Nice. But all in all, it should be a really good week. We should have a lot of volume coming into the market this week. You even have CPI for the pound as well. But you have a lot of stuff going on with the US dollar here and the US economy this week. So should be pretty interesting, man. Feds, they're looking to raise the rates to 5% from 4.7. So gold should remain bullish. I think we're just having a nice little pullback at this point. Unemployment claims Thursday, Fed on Wednesday. And then Tuesday, you may have our former president getting arrested. So we'll see how that goes down. That should be pretty crazy. Even though they literally have zero crime against him. Pretty corrupt system we're looking at. It's getting wild.
Best buy guns and ammo.
Yeah, you best to buy guns and ammo. Oh, snap. Gold Goblin is in the house. The XAU Goblin is here to gobble up these pips. Yeah, man, it's getting crazy in the US.
Best investment in the US right now is to own a handgun. So if you don't got one, let's go get one.
Move to Dominican Republic.
Or that. Just all you need over there is a nice Corona. You don't even need a gun. Just chill by the beach. Let all the action happen elsewhere.
I'd rather hold my rifle in freedom.
Nice.
Grab your BB guns, ladies and gents. You're gonna need them. You're gonna need them.
Grab your paintball gun.
XAU Goblins in the house. Man, where you been, bro? It's been like a week or so. Right? Am I tripping? I feel like it's been at least a week. This candle, I'm not gonna get it on the flip of this candle here. I want to see this 30-minute close bearish above this range here. My guy been the XAU ghost on this stream for the last week. Do. We're coming to the end of our playlist here. We're gonna have to restart it. Oh, we got an hour left of that playlist. So you can take your buys here. I'm personally now gonna wait for this 30-minute candle to close in 10 minutes, and I kind of want to see it close just the way it looks right now, we can get it to close like bearish like this with a wick, that would be perfect. And then we could look to take our buys coming back up. But we'll see. It's a nice bottom wick though. All right. Yeah, I was just checking out futures and brokers, just like checking what it's about, just for general knowledge. Nice. Futures. GJ may be the play here. Just gotta wait here a few more minutes. We'll have like a 26 pip stop on GJ. Basically the stops will be below this candle here, right here, and then full TP will be up here, up in this area. We got clean traffic to the left. We break this high, it should be good on the next candle. Right? How many times have we seen this happen, chat? You want to wait for familiar price action to show. Always. Ah. Gold may want to head north. How you liking futures, XAU Goblin? You like trading futures? Excuse me. A close looking just like that would be perfect. Perfecto. I mean, gold buys, nice. Gold buys. Oh, I forgot to make this a live chat. There we go. What up, Carlos? War mate, I like that. Celery setting up nicely. Yeah, yep. On GJ. My grandma used to say, once you know how to sneak straight onto gold mines, you will never walk through clean mopped bank floors. That's pretty cool. 5 more minutes, yep. Gold nice fake out on the 15. 15. Yeah, come back into the range. Let's see if GJ will wait up for us here. Celebration. Whoa. Walter. Few more minutes and we'll know if we got a trade or not. Yeah, I'm a bit more locked in on GJ in this situation. Gold is whatever. Never broke the daily low though. I think GJ might work out for us. Let's just wait another 2 minutes. Let me get this ready. What's going on with magic keys? What's going on with magic keys? Don't tell me my magic keys died. I think my magic keys died. All right, so we had a 30 close. So we'll wait for a little bit of a bottom wick here. And then, I don't know what's up with my magic keys here. So we're gonna have buy stops here at the break of the high on GJ. So buy stops, break of this high. All right, so I just took a buy there on GJ. Stops are gonna go below the previous candle. And TP is gonna come up at these highs, so. I don't know what's good with the magic keys though. Exclamation point Discord. This ain't Don's chat. Do I like magic keys? Hell yeah. Love magic keys. Yup. Having some technical difficulties with it though. I don't know why it's not. Not sure why it ain't. I think it might have died. Haven't charged in a few weeks. So I got about 10 pips here. Gonna move my stops below this candle here. And just hold it for a few here. How do you even close partials without magic keys? I don't even know how to do that. I'm so used to magic keys at this point. So my stops are below this 30-minute low now, because if we flip and break the low, chances are we're gonna head back down. Yeah, if we break that low, chances are we're gonna drive down. So we want to stay above that. But we've already cut our loss from 33 pips to about 10, 12 pips now, so. But price should continue up here. New 5 opened. Opened up a pretty small lot here Monday, so. Do 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 do. I think I've seen like 11 pips on that total. Should have volume coming in here though. Same thing with gold. Oh, so we're flipping bearish possibly here. Broke the high, pushed up, never broke this high. Oh, still in, still in. Still hanging in there. Can we head back north? Buys above 161. Yep, that'll be clean too. Buys above here. Looks like we wanted to just kind of test that bottom wick, see if it was going to hold, and now we should be good. Do, 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 do.
I walked the dog for Anthony, so hopefully his buy position on gold is good.
Oh, Tandy's walking the dog, son.
Just for Anthony.
Yeah, gold, we have that NYSE open here, so not too much volume here in the market today, though. It's waiting. Thanks, Tandy. Got about 40 pips on gold, nice.
Good stuff, man. You nailed it on the 5 minute. That's crazy. Perfect buys.
15, I think.
Ah.
Yeah, 15. Was looking at both the 5 and started to line up. Yep. Line up in time frames. Hi, do you also watch the JPX? JPYX? What's that?
Maybe they're trying to mean it like the DXY, but JPY.
Oh, nah, I don't really watch that. Never watched that. So gonna go BE here now that we're breaking the highs. So risk-free trade at this point, and probably gonna close partials right there as well. So risk-free trade, partials are in. Got about I think it was 11. So I got 16 pips. Let's see if the runner can continue on. So I closed partials right here, right at this wick fill. So let's but W trade, if you guys took that, 16 pips, and see if we can get the runner to continue up. WWW. So what time was that? 9:30? 9:30 a.m. 3:20. 23. W 18 pips. Nice. Yeah, same here. I got 18 on that. Closed 80% of that position. And now I just got a runner in there. That was GJ, buy, breakout, celery, 30-minute, full half risk. I had 18 pips. And let's see if we can get a runner. If not, it'll be 18. Because the reason why I went B there is because if we're breaking this high right here, right? If we're breaking this high, then we should not come back down. Like if we're breaking the high, we should continue up. So if we do end up coming back down, then chances are we may not go anywhere. But W trade there. Nice little 18 pips on GJ. Let me do something here. Here we go. Beautiful. Perfect. About 25 pips up there. Gonna hold to this yellow, to this white line here. If we could tap this white line, I'll close full. W, thank you so much. Yeah, my pleasure. Thank yourself for coming on, tuning in, committing to the stream, showing up and being here. Jeffrey, nice job. Nice W there, beautiful. Should continue up here. Did you memorize the playbook? You bet. You bet. Pushing, pushing. Anyway, you can pick up the spreadsheet. Yeah, I have it in the Discord. So if you go in the Discord and you go under announcements, it's it'll be there for you. Right here. Scroll up a little bit. And it's right here. All right, chat. See if we can get this push here. All right, chat. I'm gonna close that full position right here. And perfect. So money, that was 35 pips. Beautiful trade. Beautiful. Let's pull this back up. 35, 35, W. Good work, chat. Good work, good work. Way to be patient today. Way to wait for the setup, and now look at we're rejecting. So, beautiful.
Good stuff, my man. Beautiful.
Don't know what's going on with my magic keys, which is weird, but... W chef's kiss. Yeah, man, so it's been a pretty good March. We've taken 15, we've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 10 trades. So we're 9 out of 10 here in March. 10 trades. And this week should be filled with volume, so. But yeah, that was the trade, man. Beautiful. Beautiful work. If you guys took the trade, tag me in IG, post it on your story, I'll repost it. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream if you can, please, and another winner. Another win. On to the next. Because I didn't have my magic keys, I only opened up a 4 lot there, where I really wanted to open up like a 10 lot, so, but all good. But yeah, chat, that's the day. I'm probably gonna head off here. 1 trade, 1 dub. We'll come back tomorrow. Should be more volume in here tomorrow. We do have news coming in tomorrow at 10. So that should start to put some volume in the market. And then you have FOMC, which is gonna be crazy on Wednesday. Maybe we'll stream this 2 p.m. FOMC time tomorrow, Wednesday also. Just gotta see what I'm doing that day, but yeah, we should be good to stream FOMC later on in the afternoon. And then You got the Fed. They're planning on raising the rates here, so this is gonna be really interesting. Like, if we get on here and then at 2 p.m. we wait for like 2:30, 3 o'clock, you should start to get a really nice push up. So, but yeah, that's gonna be the day here, chat. Thank you guys for coming by. Love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace.